you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in the US. It's Friday and I am super excited you could join us. I either have a tip, a technique, or a trick to share with you on Fridays. So today I've got a super cool tip to share with you. Now, any of the supplies I use in today's video, you can find it down in the description. And if you click on that, that's going to head you on over to my online store. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you over on my website, www.stampwithshar.com. Now, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to my channel, you can do so by hitting that little red subscribe button down below, or you can hit that little girl that sits in the corner of your screen. Either way, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that little bell that pops up. That's going to notify you every time I upload a video. We're going to flip the camera and we're going to get started. So Fridays I either have a tip, a technique, or a trick to share with you. But today I wanted to talk a little bit more about our stamp pads and our ink refills. Now these are fabulous, you guys. When you purchase an ink pad, you always want to try and make sure you get a refill, because there's nothing worse than being in the middle of a project and you go and you stamp and your ink pad is dry. So whenever you can and you purchase an ink pad, you always want to try and get the refill to go along with it. Now you will notice I have stuck a little dot at the top of mine, and that's the coordinating cardstock, the Wisteria Wonder. Now what I love about Stampin' Up is that everything coordinates. The ink pads, the paper, the ribbons, everything matches, and I love that about Stampin' Up. So today I wanted to talk about inking up your pads. Now when your pads become a little dry, all you're going to do is you're going to take your re-inker and you are going to go across that way. You're going to go across that way. Okay. Now, what you want to do is, if I came in with my stamp and I went to go and stamp my image, what's going to happen is you will notice some spots are lighter and some spots are darker. Now, the reason for that is I didn't smear my refill ink in. And what I mean by that is I just have an old spoon from my kitchen that I no longer use. And all you're going to do is you're going to take the bald piece of the spoon and you're going to move the ink all around this way, and you're going to go that way. And what that's going to do is it's going to help the ink blend on your pad nicely. So now, let me just take a wipe. So now, when I go and stamp my image, it's going to be all one color. I do like that though. That does look cool. But yeah, so whenever you re-ink your ink pads, you always want to come in with a spoon and just spoon it in all the different directions. And yeah, that's just going to help your ink pad stay nice and wet and yeah, juicy for a while. Thank you so much for watching today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope you all have a wonderful and safe weekend. And I hope you'll join me back here on Monday. We'll see you then. Take care.